U.S. stocks sold off on Thursday, with the Dow losing nearly 0.5%, the S&P 500 plunging roughly 1.6%, and the Nasdaq spiraling almost 2.8%, its biggest one-day percentage drop in a month. Weighing on the indexes, shares of Nvidia, which tumbled 8.5%, evaporating $274 billion in stock market value. The plunge came a day after the AI chip leader gave a weaker-than-expected quarterly forecast for gross margin that overshadowed an upbeat revenue outlook. Ben McMillan is Chief Investment Officer and co-founder at IDX Advisors.
So the takeaway is the fundamentals are still very strong, but there's definitely some investor concern around slowing growth, shrinking margins, especially when you've got valuations at these levels.
Nvidia's stock has now fallen almost 20% from its record-high close on January 6th. Fellow chipmaker Broadcom dropped more than 7%, and Advanced Micro Devices shed 5%. In other stock moves, shares of Salesforce lost 4% after the business software seller forecast fiscal 2026 revenue below expectations. And Warner Bros. Discovery jumped nearly 5% after saying it expects streaming profits to double this year. On the trade front, President Trump floated a 25% reciprocal tariff on European cars and other goods. He also said tariffs on Mexico and Canada will go into effect on Tuesday. Investors are now focused on monthly personal consumption expenditure data, which is the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge, due on Friday.